so free, and I just wanna be me. Yeah, I just wanna go so crazy. Yeah, I just wanna be free. Yeah, I just wanna rise to the top. Yeah, I just wanna go reach the peak. So I've been really well focused on success. Hey, y'all will see. Yeah, you will see that I will get it. Cause I'm really focused, man. I make it with a weapon. I just follow my path. I just follow my passion. To me, this is what's precious. Yeah, in my soul, man, I can feel it. So every single verse, man, I just gotta go and kill it, man. I gotta be the kid. I could be the guy taking you wild. I could be the villain, but good as a kid. Lately, I'm painting my path on my way. Yeah, I got no time that I can waste. So I've been sitting in this space. Yeah, making like every day. Man, you know that I go insane. Yeah, I hit you with a bullet to the brain. Let us stop running if we go in this journey. You don't know what I'm gonna do. You don't know what is next. And I'm loving the fact, truly it's making me blessed. Cause I work on my team, no snakes in the grass. And we have the trust in the wind because of the work that we did in the past. Because of the work that we did in the past. When we went to hours, you barely got breath. So I get the problem, we didn't finesse. So I got the feelings that we might be next. Cause when we go in, we're winning the match. So when we go in, we winning the match. So that's how we do it, cause we be the best. We be the best, best. Yeah, we be the best, bro. Yeah, we be the best, best. God, we be the best, hey. Yeah, we be the best, best, hey. We be the best, yo. You wanna come to my test, well, you want to see we the best, hey. Don't get over the basket, so I suggest you never really come and test it. But otherwise, I will smack your face like a $2 with a ball in the basket. Oh damn kid, oh you didn't expect it. You never really thought that you could just happen. But now already come on and we put out with the action. Cause people defeat those they don't get it like